Hello friends, thanks for reading along with us today. Let's get started.
Long ago in Ireland, in a village of rolling green hills, lived a kind-hearted girl named Brigid. She had bright eyes, a warm smile, and a heart full of kindness. No matter how little she had, she always found a way to help those in need. But Brigid dreamed of doing more. She wanted to build a home where everyone had shelter, food, and friendship. Yet she had no land of her own. Only the greedy king could grant land, but he cared more for gold than kindness. One afternoon, Brigid sat upon a large stone under an ancient oak tree, gathering her courage to visit the king. The tree's golden leaves rustled in the wind, whispering secrets of old. As Brigid let out a sigh, a tiny shimmering light flickered before her. From the heart of the tree, a fairy appeared, her wings like spun gold.
"I have heard your kind thoughts, Brigid,"
the fairy said.
"Your heart is pure, but beware. The king will try to trick you."
Brigid nodded, knowing she had nothing to offer but her hope. The fairy smiled.
"Then take this gift."
She reached out and touched Brigid's simple green cloak. A soft glow rippled through the fabric, and Brigid gasped.
"This cloak is now enchanted,"
the fairy explained.
"If the king tries to deceive you, pray with a pure heart and the cloak will grow. But use it wisely. True magic lies not in spells, but in kindness."
Brigid thanked the fairy, who vanished into the wind like a whisper. With renewed courage, Brigid set off to see the greedy king. His castle was filled with gold and treasures, yet outside its gates, many people had nowhere to go. Brigid bowed before the king and said, "Your Majesty, I wish to build a home for those in need. Will you grant me land?" The king smirked.
"You're a bold girl, Brigid. I will give you as much land as your cloak can cover."
Brigid looked down at her small cloak. The king chuckled, thinking he had outwitted her, but Brigid remembered the fairy's words. She knelt, placed the cloak on the ground, and whispered a prayer from her heart. A breeze swirled around her. The cloak began to stretch. It spread like a rolling green wave, reaching past the trees, over the fields, and all the way to the riverbank. The king's jaw dropped.
"Impossible!"
He sputtered. His knights whispered in shock, while the villagers cheered. Brigid smiled kindly. "You gave your word, Your Majesty." Trapped by his own words, the king sighed and nodded.
A promise is a promise.
With the land secured, Brigid and her friends built a home where all were welcome. There was food for the hungry, warm beds for the tired, and laughter in every room. People came from far and wide to see the place that kindness built. And from that day on, it was said that Brigid's cloak carried the magic of generosity and the luck of Ireland. Every St. Patrick's Day, children tell her story, reminding everyone that kindness can make miracles happen.
Thanks for reading along with us today. We hope you enjoyed the book. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more magical stories. See you tomorrow!